Hi everyone, Daniel here from Educator by Nature. I wanted to share a beautiful song that my friend Jessica wrote called Rain. I've just been called to play and record some songs for you at the moment, so this is a beautiful one. Thanks, Jess. I can see the rain is falling down. Pitter patter, I can hear the sound. I can see the rain is falling down. Pitter patter, I can hear the sound. Rain, 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 rain. Rain is falling down from the sky. Rain, 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 rain. Rain is falling down from the sky. One, two, three, four raindrops on my nose. Wonder, wonder, where do raindrops go? One, two, three, four raindrops on my nose. Wonder, wonder, where do raindrops go? Rain, 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 rain. Rain is falling down from the sky. Rain,